Alright, hello mga kasikat. Good morning and have a nice day. And this is Di Mo Na Stylist Philippines Kids and Teens Global Pageant Philippines Season 2. And welcome to Sequoia Hotel here at Metro Manila, Philippines. And sa mga oras nga po na ito ngayon, nakakapanayam natin ang isa sa mga candidate ng Kids and Teens Global. Hello ate, how are you po?
I'm good.
Oh, can you please kindly introduce yourself?
My name is Georgina Sofia Maclala Fernandez. I'm 6 years old from Asilawan,
Oh, from?
Nasubu, Batangas.
Nasugbu, Batangas. Oh, I already there at Batangas last October 4. Nasa SM City, Batangas po ako last October 4. And this coming October 25 po, magkita-kita po tayo dyan sa SM, Centro Mall, Batangas. Andun ako. So, magkita tayo doon ngayon. Ay, magkita tayo doon sa sa Centro Mall. Anyway, ano nga po ulit pangalan nyo?
Georgina.
Georgina. So, kinakabahan ka ba or what? Are you nervous?
No.
No. Are you confident?
Yes.
Yes. So, how did you prepare this pageant, Ate Georgina?
I go here early, then I fix my makeup, then wait for my turn to talk with you.
Oh, thank you so much, Ate Georgina. But anyway, Ate Georgina, do you have somebody to greet or do you have somebody to shout out right now?
My mom.
Oh, sure. You can shout out your mom, your dad, your relatives, or your friends, your classmates. Take it away. You can shout out. Shout out to? You have somebody to greet. Yeah. Who? Shout out.
Mommy and Mama Bella.
Mami and Mami Bella. Your classmate, you can shout out your classmates. Hi, classmates.
Hi, classmates.
Oh, hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Do you have friends? Oh, wala akong friends. I think meron kasi beautiful ka. Kasi kapag mga beautiful, maraming friends yan. Diba? So, what is your favorite foods and why?
My favorite food are sinigang and tinola because it's healthy for me and it's Filipino food.
What kind of sinigang? It's sinigang na hipon or sinigang na baboy?
Sinigang na baboy.
Oh, one of my favorite also. The sinigang na baboy with patis and calamansi and chili. So, do you eat chili? Are you eating a chili? No? Kasi maanghang, di ba? Alright. So, what is your favorite color naman and why?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink. Why?
Because it's my favorite color and it makes me happy. If I see it, I will be happy.
Oh, my favorite color naman is black. Because I like black. Anyway, Ate Georgina, what is your big dream when you grow up?
I want to be a flight attendant because I want to work hard and then go around the world.
Oh, what is the first country would you like to visit?
Japan.
Japan. Why Japan?
Because I go there like part 1 and there's another part 2.
Oh, do you have some relatives in Japan or do you have some auntie or titas in Japan? No. So you need to visit lang and you like to visit lang to Japan. Oo. Ayan. So what is your message to your mom right now? And she's watching.
She's watching me in video
Uh-huh.
because she loves me and I love her.
Oh. And how about your dad? What is your message to your dad?
My dad is going here,
Mm-hmm.
then he's coming while I'm production number 1.
So, do you have some Facebook account to promote or do you have some social media like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube? Do you have like that? Yeah. What is your Facebook? TikTok. What is your TikTok?
Like a dance that I love to do in my TV and I post.
Oh. So, meron mo ba siyang TikTok account or what? Sabi have? Your TikTok names. Georgina, ganon. para i-follow ng mga fans mo? Do you have some TikTok? Follow nyo po si Georgina sa kanyang TikTok account. And do you have some message to your supporters and fans na sumusuporta sa'yo ngayon? What is your message to them?
My friends.
Oh, yeah. Do you have some message to them?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is it?
Your TikTok is so nice, and I want to join your TikTok.
Oh. Anyway, Miss Georgina, thank you and good luck. And I hope you can win today. So, did you feel that you are a winner for this pageant?
Yes.
Yes. So, do you think the crown is your going back to your home?
Yeah.
Yo, and good luck and keep on praying, Ate Georgina. Maiuwi din natin yung crown natin, 'di ba? So, wag tayong kabahan kasi lahat tayo magagaling, 'di ba? And thank you so much, Ate Georgina. God bless you.
So bright, step in the room, they all take a glance, gown or tux, we're caught